everybody, Ken Bianco and welcome to TrainWorldTV. Today we have a really cool unit we're going to show off, and it's the Bowser M630 British Columbia Railway unit, and this is gorgeous. I really love this paint scheme. It's something different. It really pops with the green and just looks streamlined. Quite honestly, it meshes well with the Bowser boxing, but really cool unit, and you don't see a lot of these HO model trains. Something unique, different, and Bowser has been doing a great job with their trains and manufacturing. A lot of people really like their stuff and quality. So make sure you stay tuned. We're going to show these running on our layout. And thanks for watching, everyone. And don't forget, get all your Bowser trains at TrainWorld.com. Shop online 24/7. And don't forget, smash that bell notification down below so you never miss a video. And subscribe to our YouTube channel, TrainWorldTV. Thanks for watching, everyone.